can someone quickly tell me, like, whenever you will start a project, what are the various stages in a project life cycle?
Requirement gathering, analyzing the
Requirement gathering.
problem, analyzing the problem.
Yes, analyzing the problem and design, right? So now, guys, no one is instructor, no one is, I would say, student here. We all are a team. So I want all of you to go ahead, give me suggestions in the data design. Okay, we will implement the project like a team, and then we will see how it will be implemented. But before that, I want to introduce you to the problem statement that we will be implementing. Okay. So I hope most of you are working professionals, right?
Yeah.
So, guys, in your organizations, you must have seen websites or apps to register claims and get it approved. Do you have those things where you will go ahead and submit your claims, or you will go ahead and submit your certification related claims and or broadband expenses or any other business trip expenses?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
You have that thing, right? So we will go ahead and we will streamline that process by creating an app for the people so that they can go ahead, they can add the things in the app and they will be able to use it from there. Okay. So now let me introduce you to the problem statement. I would say claims app. You can suggest me some other name also that is coming to your mind. So here I will be going ahead, and what you will be able to do from your app, you will be able to submit the claim, able to view submitted claim, right? So for this app, guys, how many roles you will be having? There will be one role who will be users, right? There will be one role who will approve your expenses, isn't it? Right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So users will be able to submit, view submitted, edit, right? Edit submitted claims. And what else you can do?
We can upload the documents.
Yeah, so that will be in the submission itself, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So might we, if they want to filter and see specific claims, they can do that, right? So for approvers, they will approve the claim, right? And there will be many functionalities that we will be implementing, but these are the overall operations that they will be doing with the system, right?
Yes.
So guys, in this case, like what are the things that you require to implement this?
We required user form where user fill the
Yes, very
detail.
good. So first thing first, you will be requiring a front end, right? Front end will be what? Where these two users will be interacting with your app, right? And they will be submitting the stuff, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
So now, what else is required as per you?
Backend back database before the visa claim is submitted.
Sorry, come
I
again.
mean, just
We need a data
before
source backend.
form, the data need to be stored somewhere, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Data,
So whatever people are submitting here, so it should be stored somewhere, right? So it will be stored in some database, right? So it will be the backend of your app. So now you know you will be needing this thing and this thing, right? So now we have to identify with the help of our platform, like what can be our ideal choice for front end and what can be our ideal choice for back end. So now we have to finalize that thing, right? So as I told you, like we are in Canvas apps. So in front end, we will be creating a Canvas app that people will be interacting with. And in backend, what are the various options that you have, guys?
SharePoint.
You have
SharePoint,
SharePoint,
OneDrive, Dataverse,
OneDrive, you
Dataverse.
have Dataverse,
Dataverse.
you have SQL, so on, right? So what I will choose for this project, I will choose a SharePoint. Why SharePoint with Canvas app? Because PowerApps per developer plan. So this is basically a type of license. It comes with E5 also. Okay, you know Microsoft E5 licensing?
No, sir.
You don't know, right? No worries. I will tell you what
No?
is Microsoft E5 licensing. So there is a licensing model by Microsoft which is called as E5 licensing. So in that E5 license, Power Apps per dev plan will come. So in that E5 license, you will have SharePoint also. So there will be some organization in the real world who will be creating Power Apps on the SharePoint. Okay, because in so basically for let me tell you first thing first, like what are the different type of licensing plans for Power Apps. So for Power Apps, there are two licenses, guys. One is per app and another one is premium license. So per app is available with A5, E5 for premium. You have to pay some extra dollar amount that is $20 per user. Okay. So in premium, what will happen? Like it is exactly same as any licensing model that you see for your OTT also. Like if you're using your Disney Plus Hotstar, right? So you will be having mobile plan. Then you will be having other plan, right? A premium plan where you will be able to see 4K videos, four screens, right? So similarly here in per app, you will not be able to use all the connectors. Okay. So in premium, you will be able to use all the connectors. So Dataverse is a premium connector. So if you want to create an app on top of Dataverse, so you should have a premium license. So what people are doing in real world, they already have E5 license. So they are creating apps like this also sometime. So that's why to cater that and make you guys familiarize like how SharePoint work with Power Apps, we have this. I have planned this thing like that way. Getting it?
So, yeah, Indra, one question. So, per app
Yeah.
means per user, uh, only one user can connect, or is there any limitation on the users for
Licensing
per app
is
and premium?
always user wise.
Mm,
If you take premium license for every user, you have to pay $20.
okay.
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 Like if you
So,
have
per app
huge
is
number of users, sorry, if you have huge number of users, suppose 1,000 employees in your organization, for them you want the license. So then you can go ahead, you can get in touch with the Microsoft, so then they can create something called as capacity license for you. So that in that you will get some discount. Okay.
okay. So, my question is, there is a development will be going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you share the link to the users, right? So
Yeah.
that sharing the link to the users is what it comes for the license, or is like number of developers that we need to consider.
Even developers as well as user, they should have a valid license.
Okay.
Both should have a license.
Okay. When you share the link, is there any limit to that one, or
No, no. No limit. Only prerequisite is suppose you are developing the app and sharing the link with me. I should have a valid license. Otherwise, I will not be able to access that.